Welcome to the Learning Zone. The initial screen provides 4 prerequisite videos that are integral to the learning process. These include a basic overview of how the Learning Zone functions and 3 short lectures highlighting how and why the modified barium swallow impairment profile was standardized, the basic anatomy and physiology of swallowing, and an overview of the 17 MBSImP physiologic components. All videos can be viewed with closed captioning. You will find it helpful to download the MBSImP guide and score definitions to enhance self-guided training. Once each of the prerequisite videos has been viewed in its entirety, select Enter Learning Zone to proceed. As you will learn, the MBSImP is organized by 3 physiologic domains: oral, pharyngeal, and esophageal. You can navigate the domains through the selection list in the upper right corner of the screen. When a domain is selected, the associated MBSImP physiologic components are populated. It is suggested that you navigate the learning zone in order, starting with Component 1 and ending with Component 17. The View Progress button at the bottom of the page can be used as a checklist to track your progress as you complete each section required for the 17 components. The Learning Zone is comprised of 2 sections: Overview Lectures and Scoring Practice Modules. Each component is introduced through a narrated PowerPoint overview lecture. Please make sure that the sound on your device is on when viewing the videos. If necessary, you may use the links in the upper left corner of the screen to download the audio transcript, view the PowerPoint slides in a handout format, and/or view the lecture with closed captioning. Once you have viewed the component lecture, toggle to the scoring practice modules using the link in the upper left corner of the screen. The scores for each component are demonstrated using representative segments of video fluoroscopy paired with detailed animations. These example pairs were developed to enhance the clarity of the physiology being demonstrated in the original MBSImP exams retained for like training. These can be viewed, reviewed, and studied repeatedly. There is no accompanying audio during the scoring practice modules, but each score must be viewed at least once to progress. To toggle between the scores, use the score buttons at the bottom of the media player. The associated score definitions populate in the upper left corner of the screen. You will find it helpful to have the component score definitions PDF available for reference as you complete the Training Zone scoring practice modules. As you refine your scoring skills through practice, you will learn that your reliability improves when using slow motion and frame-by-frame viewing. You can access these controls on the media player by using the pause play toggle, the slider to advance or reverse the video, the frame-by-frame control to move forward or backward by 1 unique frame at a time, and the slow motion controls to advance forward or backward in slow motion. You may also find it useful to expand the video to see structures on a larger scale, or collapse the video to improve clarity of the structures. Alternately, the keyboard can be used to manage certain controls. The spacebar functions as the pause play toggle, and the left and right arrow keys can be used for frame-by-frame viewing. Additionally, by holding down the left or right arrow key, you can simulate the slow motion controls. When you are ready, return to the Overview Lecture section via the link in the upper left corner of the screen. You may view your progress to make sure that all sections have been completed for a particular component before moving on to the next. When ready, select the next component from the list to begin the narrated PowerPoint overview lecture. To assist with learning, quick access to the scoring help page is available by clicking the link along the bottom left of the media player. This page contains supplemental information to assist with training and will be covered in greater detail in later sections. Likewise, scoring tips were developed for each component and can be accessed through the link along the bottom of the media player. This file will automatically download and will reflect the component currently highlighted. Every lecture and scoring practice module for each of the 17 components must be viewed at least once before access is granted to the training zone. We recommend that you not spend too much time on any one component in the learning zone, as you will have ample time for review and practice during the subsequent zones of the website. Once you've advanced, you may return to the learning zone at any time for review.